Hello everyone. For this video, we are going to talk about insert into select statement. This statement copies data from one table and insert it into another table. We need to keep in mind that statement requires that the data type in source and target table is matched. Also take note, the existing records in the target table are unaffected. For our scenario, we are going to transfer the employee name and salary to the new table called salary table. For our syntax, we have insert into and then table 2, which is the new table, its column, select columns from table 1, which is the table where we are going to get the data, and where plus its condition. As we can see, 10 rows are affected. Now let's see if it actually worked. As we can see, the data has been successfully copied into a new table.